All right, in this little refresher lesson, absolute value and opposites of rational numbers. We know those two words, okay? Those two terms, sorry. Absolute value is a number's distance from zero on a number line. Remember, distance is never negative. Rational number is any number that can be written as a ratio of two integers, typically as a fraction, okay? So, first up, let's talk opposites. Opposites of numbers. It's easy to use a number line. You don't have to use a number line. Some people find it a little easier, okay? But you don't have to. But let's see what we have here. Point A is at -3 and let's say 0.6. So -3.6. Right now, all I'm doing is locating numbers on the number line real quick. Point B is at -2.5. See, these are all rational numbers because I can write these as a fraction. Point C, I'm going to say that's -0.5. Point D, let's say that that's at +2.4. And point E is, let's say that's a +3.5. Okay, now I need to find the opposites of these numbers. So if I have a -3.6, the opposite of a negative is a positive. So the opposite is 3.6. Opposite of -2.5 is +2.5. Opposite of -0.5 is +0.5. Opposite of a positive number is a negative. So we're going to get -2.4 here. Whoop. And we're going to get -3.5 here. Okay, finding opposites of rational numbers is just like finding opposites of integers. Okay, same thing with the absolute value of rational numbers. Remember, distance is never negative, and this is the distance this number is from zero when you find the absolute value. So it's just kind of like finding absolute value of integers, okay? So this becomes +5.4 because it's 5.4 spaces away from zero. 3 1/3, this is a rational number, okay, because it's written as a fraction, but I can turn it into a ratio and make it 10/3. So this absolute value is 3 1/3. And then look at this one. I have -27/3. First, what's the opposite of that would be +27/3. I was going to say you needed to work that out, but you don't. I'm just finding the opposite, the absolute value of it, not opposite. Okay. Hope that clarified things.